Hi everybody. So in this tutorial we have to discuss about Python. So how can I download? First of all, how can I install a Python? Okay. So there is a website called www.python.org. Okay. So open this website here. So downloads. So here our operating system is download for Windows. Okay. So click on Python 3.10.2. This is the Python third version. So save this file. So Python. Control J for downloads. So open this file. Here you have to click add Python 3.1.0 to path. Okay, select this checkbox and click on install now. So it is allowed. Yes. Okay, so setup was successful. Okay, so now I have to click on close. Okay, so now I have to open. So here the Python is installed. So in C drive, so the Python 3.4. Okay, so this is Python home. Okay, so click on command prompt. So Python hyphen version. So our Python present version is Python 3.10.2. Okay, right. So this is installing the Python. Now how to run the first program. So okay, first you have to click on Python. Here the Python script. Okay, so font, click on console and font size is 28 and then okay. So print open parenthesis within the single quotes or double quotes, so hello world, and exclamatory symbol. Okay, so this is single line. Okay, here I am assigning x is equal to, so x is equal to 10 and print x. This is a single line. Okay, so that is called exit of. Okay. So here I am executing the Python file by using the editors. Okay, here I am taking, so new Python file. Okay, taken in, so here I am take print, so single quotes or double quotes, so hello world, exclamation symbol, so single quotes, and save this file any location. Okay, in this, here I am saving within the D drive. There is I am creating the new file, so new file, so python underscore classes. So within the python underscore classes, here Python file is saved with dot .py. So here I am taking first dot .py. Okay, so this is a file name is first.py. The file is located in D drive python underscore classes. Okay, open command prompt and go to D drive. Within the D drive there is a python underscore classes. So within this, so there is a python file name is first.py. Okay, so hello world. Instead of here I am taking x is equal to 10 and then print x. So save this file and executing this one. So value of x is 10. Okay, so this is installing the Python and executing the Python by using single line Python file and then by using Python file. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please ask in comment section. Okay, thank you.